here we are at Oktoberfest, Laney and I. We're about to drink some beer and have some fun. So this is the Tuesday night, the 23rd of September, and we're at the night session. So in we go. In this section of the video, we tour historical Römerberg and also do a city tour of Frankfurt, including the observation tower. In this section of the video, we tour the famous Städel Museum in Frankfurt, which houses many priceless pieces of artwork, including Picasso's. It was amazing to see all these pieces. Here we are at Oktoberfest, Laney and I. We're about to drink some beer and have some fun. So this is the Tuesday night, the 23rd of September, and we're at the night session. So in we go. Dinner time, so I've got the pork roast and Laney's got the, well, it's the spatzel with fried onions, but it looks like mac and cheese, which she's pretty happy with. Cheers.
Just finished dinner and party starting to kick off now. We're sitting in the back. Fortunately, tickets, we were really late. Well, not really late. We bought them 4 months in advance. We got pretty much the last tickets left. So, lucky to be at this session. We had this Sunday session where we filmed earlier. This one promises to be a little bit more crazy. So, I'll just walk around and film a little bit. Here we go, here's a man with all the beers. Check that out in a bit. I think it's about 2,500 people in this tent. So, I know the unique Oktoberfest is, I don't know, a dozen, maybe 14 tents. Quite a lot bigger. It's the pretzels. With downtown tables already. That will only increase as we get a bit later. It's only 7:30 and it goes 5 minutes to midnight special. So use the man with a real camera, unlike letting the little mobile phone camera. Everybody's dressed up, having fun. Little boots in the back. I think we've got it, but we're right on the side. Up in here. I saw Cocktail Bar here. Not into the video. There's still options here for him. You back for work? Champagne bar. Well, so not all the bases covered. such a great event. Really happy that I'm here. Let's get past this item, so I'll put a little bit more at the on and then back to the seat and another beer. So I'll check in soon. Schnapps bar. Yeah.
I saw her doing it. Sitting next to me.
Schnapps time. Apparently, when in Frankfurt, it's like an apricot, but not an apricot. But okay.